The KINGBOLEN K7 OBD2 Scanner offers a comprehensive diagnostic solution with wireless Bluetooth capabilities, allowing for seamless vehicle maintenance and repair. Equipped with advanced bidirectional control and ECU coding, this scanner enables users to perform active tests and optimize vehicle performance efficiently. The device supports over 31 reset functions, making it ideal for both experienced DIYers and professional mechanics seeking to perform a variety of maintenance tasks. Designed for global use, the scanner supports more than 100 vehicle brands across various regions and languages, ensuring versatility and convenience. With a powerful hardware configuration that includes a quad-core CPU and a large battery, the scanner provides reliable performance for demanding diagnostic tasks. Users benefit from a 3-year free update period, ensuring that the scanner remains up to date with the latest software and vehicle compatibility enhancements.